Hello friend, welcome back. There has been always a great challenge and major problem when it comes to find out the broken links or test the links which are there in the Google Doc or in a Google Sheet. Lots of people have been always reporting this issue that check my links or none of the tool out there are able to fetch the links from the sheet or Google Doc and they're not able to verify them just in a one click or something like that what check my links does. Like let me show you what the problem is. So let's say you are on any web page or somewhere where you hit the check my links and it automatically just scan all the links from the page and show you the result. You see that it will be quickly able to fetch the, like there are 128 links, it is scanning and getting the result, right? But if same thing you do it on Excel sheet, like Google Sheet or Google Doc, from there it was not able to verify, and this has been always a challenge. So now we have solved this problem. If you will turn on the check my links on Google Sheet or Google Doc, it will be able to fetch the links from there. So you see that it has verified all these links and showing you the result. But if same thing you would have tried it in the Google Sheet, you see that it is not able to fetch these links which are there in the doc, not like these links which are on the top or something like those are the document or like those are the web page link. No, we wanted to verify these links, right? So you see there it's showing valid for total 6, while there are many links are there. If similarly if you go to Google Doc, you click on the check my links, it is not able to fetch these links. It is fetching these 4 links which are this one, this profile link and all, but it's not able to fetch these links. So now we have fixed this issue. Like let me show you with the latest version here. Okay, so now I have updated the new version which is 7.3.0 onwards. You will find this fix and you will be able to use it in the Google Sheets and all. So same way, like you don't have to do anything extra. You just same way open your Google Doc or Google Sheet and click on the logo here, and you will find that it will automatically fetch all the links which are available in the doc. So you see that it has fetched these links, and now if you click on this valid links or whatever it is showing, you just click on view and you see that all the links has been fetched and showing you the status code. Labels are not there in the doc, of course, for obvious reason the labels will not be there. So what it will do in the report, you will see that it will pick up the domain name of that particular URL and showing you here. So this is how you can see the result. Same way, like if you are on Google Sheet, you just click on the link and it will fetch all the links. Just click on this logo here and it will fetch all the links and get you the result. So you see that here there are valid 11 links, invalid 2 links. So out of these, all these links available in the sheet, which are 2 invalid, let me just click here and you will find these 2 links are invalid because knowingly we have removed some of the alphabets from the domain or URL. So you see that both of them, like if you click on view, you will find that this is finding not showing any result. So that's the reason these are the invalid. So this is how now you will be able to verify, like find the broken links and test all the links available in the Google Doc or Sheet. So it's going to be very simple for you guys. Nothing changed for you guys, but the feature got added. So same way, you just click on the logo, it will be working as usual, and now it will be able to verify the links on Google Doc and Google Sheet as well. If you like this tool, please share with others, and if you feel this is good feature, please do rate us here in the Chrome store, and we are more than happy to hear your feedback and your suggestion here. If you have any feedback, do let us know and we will be more than happy to add that here in check my links. And please give us a good rating here in Chrome store. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.